Welcome back guys on our YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining when you should not trade in the forex market. So if you're a victim to this main topic which I've brought out today, please sit down, like to this video, and also subscribe to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. And also we recommend you to use our recommended forex broker, which is Infinix Capital, for those in international countries, and those in our local country, which is Uganda. We recommend you to use Templar FX. Now all the links are down in the description. Do hit those links and sign up with our reliable forex brokers, plus joining our free Telegram channel where we share our signals and communicate with our community, plus joining our communities by hitting the links of our Facebook account, TikTok account, Instagram account. So all the links are down in the description. Follow us guys on our social media handles. Now in today's topic I'm going to be explaining when you should not trade as a forex trader or crypto trader or stock trader. All these systems, these points are so valuable for you guys. Now we have a point whereby when you think to trade, when you have to think about to trade. You see, some people just wake up in the morning and they say, oh, should I trade today or should I not trade today? So that comes with a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, that means what are you going to trade? Now at the moment we are approaching a weekend. Now Saturday and Sunday, use those 2 days for you to be for you to prepare for next week. Now if you have not prepared for next week, where are you going to start trading from? So you being prepared for the trades you're going to place, for the stop losses you're going to be affordable to be comfortable with, even if the market doesn't go your way, all this stuff, you have to be having a trading plan. So don't just wake up in the morning and you say I'm going to place this positional trade. You didn't backtest, or you didn't read the news. There's nothing you did in the weekend for you to prepare for the next week. So don't just wake up and think about what to trade before you have a trading plan. So another thing is when you don't know where your stop losses goes. So this comes with trading without a stop loss, which is risk management. So whatever account you're trading, we recommend you not to risk over 5% of your account, whereby we counting all the trades which you have, all the running trades which you have at the moment, do not exceed 5% of your account. Why? This may affect you in the long run. So if you're a trader and you want to be profitable in this market, you have to be with stop losses on your running trades. Why? Stop losses, they tend to protect your account from blowing out, because whenever the market hits your stop loss, that means your account is going to be secure, because we have what we call fundamental news, which come with a lot of volatility in the market. So fundamental news, they can be released at that moment even if you don't see them on the calendar, or they can be respected by the data produced on the economic calendar. Now you have to be conscious with your trades by placing your stop losses. Another thing is, if the market does not favor your system, now this is your technical analysis, your price action strategy, on any strategy you're using. If you wake up and you find the market has not given you any pattern to trade, why don't you leave the market? Because we have a rule which says let the market come to you, not you chasing the market. I don't know whether we are together. Do not chase the market, or do not chase trades, but let the market come to you, pick up your trades, and you go back. It can be the upside or the downside. Now if you wake up and you try to backtest all the pairs you're focusing on, and you don't see any opportunity in the market, relax, do other things. You can read books, you can watch movies, till you find the market has a suitable pattern for you to place a trade. So do not force the market if you don't see any opportunity. Wait for the market to come to your side, place your trades, and let them run. Another point is when you want to catch up. You find people that you'd like to place trades because they are seeing an opportunity is growing, and they tend to forget that in the market we have a lot of opportunities. Even if you wake up and you find a pair has moved 1,100 pips, 1,000 pips, 200 pips, you will find another opportunity on another pair. Instead of you catching that huge volatility pip of a candle and you try to chase it, because you might chase that candle. Unfortunately, there might be news and you see a price rejection whereby it leads you to going in a running loss. So even if you don't get an opportunity in one pair, but you're trading over like 4 pairs, you cannot fail to get opportunities in the other 3 pairs. So wait for the confirmations, wait for the opportunity in another pair. Even if you missed one in another pair, wait for that confirmation in the other 3 pairs such that you can place your trades. The last point is when you think that markets are too high or too low. Now, this is what we call a ranging market. Now, for those who are in the intermediate course, you already know what we call a ranging market. Now, in the ranging market, you will find the market is just consolidating in one place for over a time. It can be like 3 months when the market is just consolidating in one place. Now, we have a rule that if you're not a professional trader who is used to trading the sideways market or a consolidation market, that means stay away from that particular pair, look for another pair, because you might sell high and the market breaks out and keeps on pushing to the upside and you lose money. You might buy low and the market breaks and continues selling down. That means either way you're also going to lose money. So you don't have to predict the market. If you're seeing the market just consolidating in one place, making 2 highs and 2 lows, you have to be patient with the market till you get that confirmation for you to place your trades. So thank you guys for those who have made it to the end of this video. We recommend you to follow us on our social media handles, joining our free telegram channel, and also do like and subscribe. If you're watching this video, do like and subscribe, plus signing up with our reliable forex broker, which is in Phoenix Capital, and start your trading journey. All the links are down in the description. This is the FX Daves, your mentors, signing out.